The country's economy grew better than expected in the first quarter of the year, driven by the expansion of tourism-related businesses amid the more relaxed travel restrictions. The latest GDP, however, was slower than the previous quarter, but still among the highest in Asia. Naomi Tiburcio filed this report.
After 3 years, this business in Pasay City has grown to 25 condo units for staycation rental. Easing of the travel restrictions has greatly helped them recover and even grow.
Mas malaki po sir yung tinaas po ng income po namin mula po nung nag-open yung tourism dahil malapit nga po kami sa airport. Normally sir, ang mga guests po namin mga foreigner kapag may mga events po sa PICC, mga convention po.
According to the National Economic and Development Authority or NEDA, accommodation and other businesses related to tourism have recovered after several years of the pandemic. This is due to the pent-up demand of consumers that has accumulated for several years due to the pandemic. This is the reason why the economy grew by 6.4% in the first quarter of 2023, although lower compared to 2022. NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan says this is due to the low base when the effects of the pandemic was at its height.
The economy is normalizing its previous trend. The better-than-expected first quarter performance this year implies that we are returning to our high growth trajectory despite the various challenges and the headwinds we have faced.
In fact, of the countries that have released their GDP report in Asia, the Philippines has the highest growth, followed by Indonesia, China, and Vietnam. All major economic sectors saw growth. Highest among these is the services sector, followed by industry and agriculture. This growth is the reason why unemployment and underemployment rates continued to go down this March. In a statement, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said that the goal of the government is to have a strong economy that will provide more jobs and business opportunities. But NEDA warns inflation and El Nino will be a challenge for economic growth. This is currently being looked into by the Interagency Committee on Inflation and Market Outlook.
The fact that this inflation has begun to come down, and we expect that trajectory to the target rate of 2 to 4% by the end of the year, that could rebuild the confidence of consumers, and the business community.
But NEDA remains confident that the Philippines' GDP growth this year will be within target range of 6 to 7% and 6.5% to 8% in 2024 to 2028. Naomi Tiburcio for The Nation.